The best golden pothole plants to grow in your bedroom, also known as devil's ivy. This easy care plant can be grown by even those with a track record of killing plants, as the golden pothos has a reputation for being almost indestructible. It will grow in any lighting position, from bright light to full shade, and is very tolerant of infrequent waterings. Like many houseplants, in spite of the golden potholes being forgiving of most conditions, one thing it will not be able to cope with is overwatering. Sitting in soggy soil will eventually lead to root rot, whereby the plant's roots become so damaged that they are unable to deliver moisture and nutrients to the rest of the plant, and it starves to death. Avoiding this scenario is easy by simply checking the soil to make sure it is dry before you proceed to water it. Aside from being a breeze to grow and care for, this plant is beneficial to have in the bedroom because of its air purify qualities. It is rated by NASA as being one of the top 10 air filtering houseplants, able to effectively remove chemicals such as formaldehyde and benzene from indoor air. It is also a very attractive plant, with a trailing habit that looks good, draping down from a high shelf or windowsill. You can prune the plant back when its stems become too long. It also responds well to pruning, so inexperienced growers do not need to be worried about causing damage during pruning. The best benefits of growing golden potholes in your bedroom. Golden potholes Emporpernea aureum, also known as devil's ivy, is one of the easiest and most beneficial plants to grow indoors, especially in your bedroom. Here is why you should have one in your sleep space. 1. Improves air quality. Golden potholes is an excellent air purify plant that removes toxins like formaldehyde, benzene and carbon monoxide from the air. It helps reduce indoor pollutants, creating a cleaner pressure environment for better breathing. To releases oxygen at night. While many plants release oxygen during the day, potholes continues purify even at night. This can enhance sleep quality and reduce stuffiness in your bedroom. 3. Low maintenance and hard to kill. Thrives in low light, making it perfect for bedrooms with limited sunlight. Requires minimal watering only when the soil is dry. Tolerates neglect, making it ideal for beginners or busy individuals. For boosts humidity. Helps maintain moisture levels in the air, preventing dry skin, irritated sinuses, and other discomforts caused by dry indoor air. 5. Reduces stress and enhances mood. Studies suggest that indoor plants, like potholes, can help reduce stress, anxiety and fatigue. The lush green foliage brings a calming and refreshing touch to your space. 6. Adds a beautiful aesthetic. The trailing vines and vibrant, golden green leaves enhance bedroom decor, making your space feel more peaceful and inviting. Can be placed in hanging baskets, shelves, or pots to match your style. 7. Absorbs unwanted odors and toxins. Helps neutralize stale odors, making your bedroom feel fresher. Acts as a natural air filter, improving overall indoor air quality. Final thoughts. Golden potholes is one of the best plants for your bedroom. It's easy to care for, purifies the air, and adds a touch of greenery to your space. If you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that enhances your well-being, this is a must-have.